So they say tori. Now that side for Nkwen, inside Bamenda 3, when some police inspector go to know, he decide for do hero. After we armed gunmen, that means say cheap people. I don't know whether cheap people na made them or na cheap people. When I arm robber, because one is arm robber, so one arm iron. But the one is arm iron. They go for some money store, but that's a way in from Queen. Where is the way in? He say, sorry, move to the inter. As they go for there, they go enter my store, go put back, say, move all money. We say, draw a give me. Point the man gun. As they point gun, by coincidence, he could do immediately. When the person inspector Ngamba. Immediately, he decide to do his work. Like to even though even na CV means everywhere you could do uniform. Even when a normal clothes way you wear for quarter. So he decided say no. I'm not sure whether the police inspector look at him from front. He decided for see what I help the man make the store. The mistake we make is say he know that they play fine because immediately he succeed. He hold one of the chief with him. The one with the point gun, but the man is still making order. As he hold the man, he don't say that arm iron him. They be did them plenty. So the other one now will become a chief with his friend. If we don't palm some corner. He move gun now, shoot that man. That could do plenty time for your back. As he shoot it, before the one guy was Peter, from hero to zero. Because one being a hero, no? Now you know me na zero. Even cops. I thought you happened yesterday for Bamenda, but that's a quick. That very yesterday, because people have a cycle for hospital and about, people have a cycle and when they say they ain't gone. They don't know that it's already gone in the heart. They already have boom. Anyway, we don't sing die away. They will President Pobia say, okay, we call for 6 5. I even dream some dream on night. I dream for night. Say President Pobia by mistake call 6 fire. If I don't say amen, you have to say amen to my dream. I dream to say President Pobia call for 6 fire. And then go take some people the way we look at me and then discuss something. I don't know if they discuss. Tell me, they were all look the way they discuss. My neighbor can't disturb me, they knocked up. So I don't know exactly what they discuss. But I dream to say President Pobia, he called for a ceasefire. I don't know, pretty much dream come true. Because if they call for a ceasefire, we have solved the problem. Now that. If President Pobia say, oh, go to your barrack, go back to your barrack. Once he talked about it, we don't solve 90% of the problem. 90. Because the remaining 10% will mean a way forward. And the way forward, I say, you just take some people with them, dialogue with them, say, we will have the talk to the so. How will we solve the problem? Now that. Now, the smart thing that will make them don't talk to me for 5 years. People are dying left and right. When they look place, I blame you, you blame me, I blame you. But I don't dream. May the dream come to pass in Jesus' name. Even though under normal circumstances, my dream will surely be in the future impossible tense. Yeah, because man, you know, I mean dream and so President Pobia rejected the dream. Now my dream after all be a dream. He get your own dream that will be 2035 emerging country. I get my own dream that say it causes fire. A dream is a dream. We need an possible interpreter. If Joseph for Bible, we see there. Or Daniel. Anyway, there. Oh, Baba God. Now let you. Bamenda say people they die every day. We go finish. We will not reach 2035. We go bypass 2035. Go with for 3035. If we continue so. So President Pobia, I beg you in the name of God. May my dream come to pass. Call ceasefire. Don't say Kutu that when I put one for down, we will talk. Because the dreams or other day, let me talk about radio. Because that dream, if I told that dream, my landlord go out my house rent. Because dream say, pastor for some church, when next time we see, when I landlord too for the church. If of the same Christian, they say they give offering. Mommy, they give offering, they say no carry church. Or they say change church. Some people not be forced for command for the church when they go to church. So as if in the first part, they pray the vex. As the vex now, elder them in the very church, they decide to move past of a chair. It happened was on church when name start with G. It don't find me help of another church when name start with C. After all, who am I? I'm just a common dog in the quarter making noise. Now one year, another year. The Lord servant is talking. I'm talking, I'm the Lord servant. I'm the Lord servant. Nonsense. Anyway, now Tony this for Rainbow Radio. Today we are number 10 day for Moon for September inside 2021. So exactly.